The Untold Secrets of the Mind, Jim Rohn. Untold Secrets of the Mind is not a book or seminar specifically associated with Jim Rohn. However, Jim Rohn was a motivational speaker and author known for his insights on personal development, success, and leadership. He often discussed topics related to mindset, goal setting, and personal growth. It's possible that the phrase Untold Secrets of the Mind could be a concept or topic Rohn discussed in one of his seminars or writings, but without specific reference to a book or seminar by that title, it's difficult to provide more information. If you're interested in exploring Rohn's ideas about the mind and personal development, you may want to look into his books, seminars, or recorded talks where he discusses similar topics. Some of his popular works include The Art of Exceptional Living, The Seasons of Life, and 7 Strategies for Wealth and Happiness. While Jim Rohn did not have a specific book or seminar titled Untold Secrets of the Mind, he often shared insights and principles related to personal development and mindset. Here are some key ideas from Rohn that could be considered as insights into the workings of the mind. Thoughts become things is a concept often associated with the idea that our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. It suggests that the thoughts we consistently focus on can influence our actions, decisions, and ultimately, the outcomes we experience in life. This concept is rooted in various philosophical and psychological perspectives, including the law of attraction, cognitive psychology, and the power of positive thinking. While it's not a new idea, it has gained popularity in the realm of personal development and self-help. The basic premise is that our thoughts create a mental blueprint that guides our behavior and influences the events and circumstances that unfold in our lives. By maintaining positive thoughts and focusing on desired outcomes, individuals can purportedly attract those outcomes into their lives. However, it's important to note that this concept is often subject to interpretation and debate. While some people believe strongly in the power of positive thinking and visualization, others approach it with skepticism or caution, emphasizing the importance of action, realistic goal setting, and external factors beyond mere thought. Regardless of one's perspective, the idea of thoughts become things underscores the significance of mindset and mental attitude in shaping one's experiences and outcomes in life. It highlights the potential impact of our thoughts on our actions, decisions, and the reality we create for ourselves. The power of belief refers to the influence that our beliefs have on our thoughts, behaviors, emotions, and ultimately, our outcomes in life. This concept is fundamental in psychology, philosophy, and various spiritual traditions, and it has been explored extensively in fields such as cognitive psychology, social psychology, and neuroscience. Here are some key aspects of the power of belief. Self-fulfilling prophecy. Beliefs can become self-fulfilling prophecies, meaning that what we believe about ourselves and the world can influence our actions and behaviors in a way that confirms those beliefs. For example, if someone believes they are capable of achieving success, they are more likely to take actions that lead to success. Perception and interpretation. Our beliefs shape our perception of reality and how we interpret events and experiences. Two people can perceive the same situation differently based on their underlying beliefs and attitudes. Emotional response. Beliefs can also influence our emotional responses to situations. For example, if someone believes they are unworthy of love, they may feel anxious or insecure in relationships, regardless of the actual circumstances. Motivation and persistence. Strong beliefs can fuel motivation and persistence in pursuing goals. When individuals believe in their abilities and the possibility of success, they are more likely to persevere in the face of challenges and setbacks. Limiting versus empowering beliefs. Beliefs can be either limiting or empowering. Limiting beliefs are those that hold us back and create barriers to success, while empowering beliefs are those that support growth, resilience, and achievement. Cognitive bias. Our beliefs can also influence cognitive biases, such as confirmation bias, the tendency to interpret information in a way that confirms pre-existing beliefs, and self-serving bias, the tendency to attribute positive outcomes to internal factors and negative outcomes to external factors. Changing beliefs. While beliefs are often deeply ingrained, they are not fixed and can be changed or modified through various psychological techniques, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, positive affirmations, and challenging irrational beliefs. Overall, the power of belief highlights the profound impact that our beliefs have on virtually every aspect of our lives, shaping our perceptions, behaviors, emotions, and ultimately, our reality. Recognizing and understanding the power of belief can empower individuals to cultivate positive, empowering beliefs that support their growth, well-being, and success. The power of belief. Jim Rohn often emphasized the profound impact that beliefs have on an individual's behavior, actions, and ultimately, their outcomes in life. Here are key points regarding the power of belief according to Rohn. Self-fulfilling prophecy. Rohn believed that our beliefs about ourselves and the world around us often become self-fulfilling prophecies. If we believe we are capable, worthy, and destined for success, we are more likely to take actions aligned with those beliefs and achieve success. Limiting beliefs. Conversely, Rohn recognized the detrimental effects of limiting beliefs. These are beliefs that hold individuals back from reaching their full potential. Whether it's a belief in one's inadequacy, fear of failure, or doubts about success, these beliefs can hinder personal growth and achievement. Changing beliefs. Rohn emphasized the importance of actively shaping and changing our beliefs to align with our goals and aspirations. This involves challenging limiting beliefs, adopting empowering beliefs, and reinforcing positive beliefs through affirmations, visualization, and consistent action. Mindset shift. Rohn believed that a shift in belief, often referred to as a mindset shift, can lead to transformative changes in one's life. By cultivating a belief in one's ability to learn, grow, and overcome challenges, individuals can unlock their potential and create the life they desire. Belief in possibility. Ultimately, Rohn encouraged individuals to cultivate a belief in possibility, the belief that they have the power to shape their destiny, overcome obstacles, and achieve their dreams. This belief serves as a driving force for personal growth, resilience, and success. Personal responsibility. Another fundamental concept in Jim Rohn's teachings is personal responsibility. Here's how Rohn discussed and emphasized this principle. Ownership of actions. Rohn believed that individuals are responsible for their own actions, choices, and outcomes in life. This includes taking ownership of both successes and failures, rather than blaming external circumstances or other people. Empowerment. Rohn viewed personal responsibility as empowering rather than burdensome. By accepting responsibility for their lives, individuals gain control over their destiny and can actively work towards their goals with a sense of agency and purpose. Accountability. Rohn stressed the importance of holding oneself accountable for one's commitments and goals. This involves setting clear objectives, taking consistent action, and evaluating progress honestly to ensure accountability and personal growth. Freedom of choice. Rohn emphasized that personal responsibility also entails recognizing the freedom of choice individuals possess in every situation. While external factors may influence circumstances, individuals always have the power to choose their responses and actions. Self-improvement. Rohn believed that personal responsibility is closely linked to self-improvement. By taking ownership of their lives, individuals can embark on a journey of continuous learning, growth, and development to become the best version of themselves. In summary, Jim Rohn's teachings on the power of belief and personal responsibility underscore the importance of mindset, self-awareness, and proactive action in achieving personal and professional success. These concepts serve as foundational principles for individuals seeking to unleash their potential and create fulfilling lives. Let's delve into each of these concepts. The power of belief. Jim Rohn often emphasized the role of belief in shaping one's destiny. He believed that our beliefs about ourselves and the world around us profoundly influence our thoughts, actions, and outcomes. Rohn frequently stressed the importance of cultivating empowering beliefs that support personal growth and success. He encouraged individuals to believe in their potential, capabilities, and the possibility of achieving their goals. Rohn's teachings on the power of belief align with the broader concept found in psychology and personal development literature, emphasizing the impact of self-efficacy, confidence, and mindset on human behavior and achievement. Personal responsibility. Rohn was a staunch advocate of personal responsibility, often emphasizing that individuals are ultimately responsible for their own lives, choices, and outcomes. He believed that taking ownership of one's actions and decisions is essential for personal growth and success. Rohn encouraged people to stop blaming external circumstances or other people for their failures and instead focus on what they can control and change. Rohn's teachings on personal responsibility align with principles of accountability, self-discipline, and proactive behavior found in various personal development and leadership philosophies. Continuous learning and growth. Rohn placed great importance on the value of lifelong learning and personal growth. He believed that continuous education and self-improvement are essential for achieving success and fulfillment. He encouraged individuals to invest in their personal development through reading, attending seminars, seeking mentorship, and acquiring new skills. Rohn's teachings on continuous learning and growth align with the broader concept of lifelong learning and the idea that personal development is an ongoing journey rather than a destination. These concepts were central to Jim Rohn's philosophy of personal development and success. He believed that by harnessing the power of belief, taking personal responsibility, and committing to continuous learning and growth, individuals could unlock their potential and create the life they desire. Jim Rohn emphasized the importance of setting and achieving goals as a fundamental aspect of personal development and success. Here are some key points related to setting and achieving goals in Rohn's teachings. Clarity of purpose. Rohn stressed the importance of having a clear understanding of one's goals and aspirations. He believed that clarity of purpose is essential for effective goal setting. Setting smart goals. Rohn advocated for setting smart goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. He encouraged individuals to define their goals in a way that makes them actionable and measurable. Commitment and persistence. Rohn emphasized the importance of commitment and persistence in pursuing goals. He believed that achieving significant goals requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to overcome obstacles. Creating a plan of action. Rohn emphasized the need to develop a concrete plan of action to achieve goals. He encouraged individuals to break down their goals into smaller, manageable tasks and to create a timeline for achieving them. Taking consistent action. Rohn believed in the power of consistent action towards achieving goals. He often emphasized the importance of taking small, daily steps towards goals, rather than waiting for perfect conditions or motivation. Review and adjust goals. Rohn encouraged individuals to regularly review their goals and progress. He believed in the importance of adjusting goals as circumstances change and staying flexible in pursuit of objectives. Celebrating achievements. Rohn emphasized the importance of celebrating achievements along the way. He believed that acknowledging progress and milestones can provide motivation and reinforcement for continued effort. Overall, Jim Rohn's teachings on setting and achieving goals emphasized the importance of clarity, commitment, action, and adaptability in pursuing personal and professional aspirations. He believed that effective goal setting and goal achievement are essential components of a successful and fulfilling life. Attitude and mindset were central themes in Jim Rohn's teachings on personal development and success. Here are some key points related to attitude and mindset based on Rohn's philosophy. Positive attitude. Rohn emphasized the importance of maintaining a positive attitude in all aspects of life. He believed that a positive attitude can significantly impact one's outlook, behavior, and outcomes. Mindset of success. Rohn taught that success starts with the right mindset. He encouraged individuals to adopt a mindset of success, which includes believing in one's potential, setting high standards, and maintaining a strong sense of self-confidence. Responsibility for attitude. Rohn believed that individuals are responsible for their attitudes. He emphasized the importance of taking ownership of one's mindset and choosing to cultivate a positive and empowering attitude, regardless of external circumstances. Resilience and adaptability. Rohn stressed the importance of resilience and adaptability in maintaining a positive attitude. He encouraged individuals to learn from setbacks and challenges, viewing them as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles to success. Gratitude and appreciation. Rohn often spoke about the power of gratitude and appreciation in shaping one's attitude. He believed that cultivating a mindset of gratitude can enhance happiness, resilience, and overall well-being. Self-image and self-talk. Rohn emphasized the influence of self-image and self-talk on attitude and mindset. He encouraged individuals to develop a positive self-image and to engage in positive self-talk, reinforcing beliefs in one's abilities and potential. Surroundings and influence. Rohn taught that one's attitude and mindset can be influenced by their surroundings and the people they associate with. He encouraged individuals to surround themselves with positive, supportive influences that uplift and inspire them. Overall, Jim Rohn's teachings on attitude and mindset emphasized the importance of cultivating a positive and empowering outlook on life. He believed that by adopting the right attitude and mindset, individuals could overcome obstacles, achieve their goals, and live a fulfilling and successful life. Jim Rohn often emphasized the importance of surrounding oneself with the right influences as a key factor in personal development and success. Here are some key points related to this concept based on Rohn's philosophy. Positive influence. Rohn believed that the people we spend time with have a significant impact on our attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors. He advocated for surrounding oneself with positive, supportive individuals who inspire growth and success. Association. Rohn often said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." He encouraged individuals to carefully consider their social circle and to associate with people who have goals, ambition, and a positive mindset. Mentorship. Rohn believed in the power of mentorship and learning from those who have achieved success in areas of interest. He encouraged individuals to seek out mentors and role models who can provide guidance, support, and valuable insights. Learning from others. Rohn emphasized the importance of learning from the experiences and wisdom of others. He believed that surrounding oneself with knowledgeable and accomplished individuals can accelerate personal growth and development. Limiting negative influences. Rohn cautioned against spending time with negative or toxic individuals who may discourage or detract from personal goals. He advised individuals to limit exposure to negative influences and to prioritize relationships that uplift and inspire. Personal responsibility. Rohn stressed that individuals are responsible for the influences they allow into their lives. He encouraged people to take ownership of their social circles and to actively seek out positive influences that align with their values and aspirations. Continuous evaluation. Rohn advocated for regularly evaluating the influences in one's life and making adjustments as needed. He believed that personal growth requires a conscious effort to surround oneself with the right influences that support and enhance one's journey toward success. Overall, Jim Rohn's teachings on surrounding oneself with the right influences underscore the importance of proactively choosing relationships and environments that nurture personal growth, success, and fulfillment. He believed that by surrounding oneself with positive influences, individuals could create a supportive ecosystem conducive to achieving their goals and aspirations. While these principles are not specifically labeled as untold secrets of the mind, they reflect Rohn's teachings on how individuals can harness the power of their minds to achieve personal and professional success.